Arc-Flash isn't something you can ignore. Arc-Flash accounts for 80% of all electrical accidents. Now, these accidents cost employers hundreds of thousands of dollars in medical costs, equipment damage, fines, and litigation. That's why it's important to reduce the risks of electrical hazards in your facility. Now, Littelfuse PowerGuard products can help you do that with a protection relay that quickly detects Arc-Flash events. The Littelfuse Arc-Flash Relay is one of the fastest on the market. It's able to identify an arc and send a trip signal in less than 1 millisecond. An Arc-Flash begins with a small spark. Now, as the electrical system continues to feed the spark, it grows in heat and intensity. In less than 1 second, the damages can multiply to a dangerous explosion and fire. That's why time is critical. Removing power quickly minimizes the released energy and the resulting damage. The Littelfuse Arc-Flash Relay detects and trips a fault extremely fast, in just 1/1000th of a second, before significant damage occurs. Because the early stages of an arc flash draw a fraction of bolted fault current, circuit breakers alone cannot distinguish between the arcing current and a typical inrush current. So, the PGR-8800 solves this problem by detecting both light and current. It provides superior arc flash protection while minimizing nuisance trips. The Littelfuse Arc-Flash Relay is an easy-to-install, standalone unit with pre-installed software. And it offers up to 24 optical sensors, as well as the option to use a fiber-optic cable for those difficult-to-reach compartments. Each sensor is equipped with an LED light to indicate both sensor health and trip state. In addition to robust products, which are tested and proven in the harshest environments for over 30 years, Littelfuse offers direct line access to our experienced professional engineers, and they're there to provide industry-leading application and technical support. For more information about reducing arc flash hazards, visit the Littelfuse website or call our technical hotline today.